Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So we've had a breakout, and we were looking at this channel yesterday. We got a pretty solid breakout, and we've moved to the downside. As far as I'm concerned, we need to be looking for shorts, but come back to test a breakout before looking for those shorts. So just putting in a couple of levels here. So these are the levels that we need to watch out for: 098655, 099104, and then obviously the breakout here at 099588. So let's just get down to the hour. And it was pretty volatile yesterday. Pretty volatile. This is just based on the Feds coming out, and it always is like this. I mean, if you look at the swing here, pretty much a 1% swing just during the Fed's interest rate announcement and then the press conference half an hour later. Anyway, so that's what I'm looking for. I think we can probably just bring this top channel here, bring that to there, give us another level. So what we're looking for, I think eliminate this one here. This is the area you want to pay attention to: 098839 and 098655. Any retest in this environment, you're looking for the opportunity to short, and you might as well just put in a trend line as well, because it'll more than likely bounce off an area where you have diagonal and horizontal resistance. So that is kind of the view that we've got here. Moving on to US dollar, Japanese yen. Pretty much the same scenario here. We did break out of the structure here. It has formed a little bit of a wider structure, and Bank of Japan has just come out with their interest rate announcement, which is just leaving it as is. So again, you'll see a bit of volatility here this morning, and that's kind of what you've got there. So big range bar. So that indicates a bit of confusion. So I think for Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, I think I would rather wait for a retest of a proper breakout, being 143.733, and I'll just use this level here just to highlight the next one, and it is going to be in this area here, which is 144.198. This range bar here indicates confusion for this morning, so just be a little bit careful. I think I'd actually sit this one out today. If you are looking for something on the dollar, euro, USD, may give us a pullback to get in. Moving on to British pound, Japanese yen, and again, being a yen pair, we've got a range bar here. Lots of confusion, and remember, we've been waiting for a pullback for an opportunity to buy, roughly down in this area, but we have penetrated that all the way to the downside. So I would expect the body to close around here at 162.190. And to be honest, I don't think there's an opportunity here to buy anything just yet. If we just switch across to the 1 hour, again a 1 hour range bar, we are in a bit of a downtrend. So maybe we could argue we're looking for a breakout test, but that has been tested there, and I don't see anything else to the left. So the only other opportunity would be waiting for a retest up here, and that's 163.463. So we get a retest and a rejection up here, then you've got a nice close stop area for another lead down. But being a range bar, I'd also just sit on the side at the moment, wait for this to settle down and give us a direction. Lastly, euro, British pound. So we have come back onto structure, and we have got a inside bar here on the 8 hour with confirmation starting to form. Oscillators have separated a little bit, so I'd be looking for opportunities to buy this at the moment, and obviously I'd wait for the 1 hour. Now looking at that on the 8 hour, we've got looking for opportunities to buy, probably a revisit to 087220. Looking at the 1 hour, this could be a rejection here for another leg down. A drop below the lows of yesterday is going to change the long bias, and we'll be looking for shorts then. So For me at the moment, what I'm looking for is structure, and this is the area I want to see us get structure off. This is not structure. I want to see a pin bar or an inside bar. Well, there's actually quite all three of my patterns are here. So there's a pin bar, there's an engulfing bar, and there's an inside bar. This is kind of the structure I want to see on this level. You can see tail on it, body up there, gives me an opportunity to get in on this. This here is a close below the level, doesn't interest me at all. I want to see price come back and defend this area before looking for that opportunity. And as I say, if we start dropping below the lows of yesterday, then what you'd want to do is just keep the level here. So I'd want to see a drop and a retest of this area before looking for the opportunity to short. So that's kind of my view here at the moment. Kind of all over the place because there's a few more federal banks coming out today with their interest rate announcements. So I would expect some volatility in the forex markets today. So just be very careful, keep your stops tight to make sure that you're trading off a higher time frame so that you can get the levels a little bit more accurately. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.